So guys, I was requested to do a video showing you how I do my nails at home, so I'm going to do that for you. Now, normally for me, I'm like doing this when I'm relaxing and winding down. I'm watching TikTok, I'm chilling. So I probably would just film it and do a voiceover for you guys because I want to relax. You know, I just got home from the gym, I'm tired. But I want to show you guys how I do my nails. It's pretty basic, I think. At least in my opinion it is. But yeah, we're going to get into that. I just took my nails off. Anyways, let me show you guys some stuff. You guys know I use press-on nails. I use nails from Shein. And normally, you know, with press-on nails, a lot of people are worried about breaking. And normally what I do is I put like poly gel on my nails, or let me show you. It's like a poly gel, just a clear poly gel. I put that on top of them. All you need is some clear poly gel and some monomer. I normally do that, and then I cure them with my UV lamp. However, I just saw some posts the last couple of weeks here saying that these things cause cell mutations and that can lead to cancer. So now I'm scared to use it. And I'm so mad. I just got this one for Christmas and it's so pretty. Let me show you guys. Look at this. It's so freaking pretty. I just love it so much. But like now I'm scared to use it because of what they're saying. So we're not going to be using this today. Also, if I don't have any of this on hand, I also use gel polish as well. But like I said, we can't use this. So I'm going to be using some nail polish instead. So the other option is I normally will use a nail polish. Not this one, it's like the diamond one. But Target didn't have any diamond one today, so I'm going to be using this one instead. So these are the ones I'm wearing today. But I have like a whole lot I can choose from. I think if I don't wear those, I'll wear the butterfly ones. Where is those at? Not those. Girl, I got too many. These are hot too though. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know. No, we're not wearing that. No. I forgot about those. Where are the butterfly ones at? Here we go. So it's going to be between these two. But right now I'm leaning towards these, but we're going to see. I have this drill bit here. I got this from Amazon. It comes with different pieces that you can use for your nails. I normally pull out 2 drill bits, the coarse one for the acrylic nails, and then the fine one for my natural nails. And then what I do first is just get my nails cleaned up. So I'm going to clip them because I don't like them long. I feel like when they're long, it's harder to get them to attach to the press-on nail. And it's going to be easier for lift. So I keep my nails short and square. So I'm just going to clip them with a nail clipper and then file them into the shape that I want. So now I'm just using that fine bit. I'm turning my drill on to like a slow speed because I don't want to like grind my full nail off, just enough where it is smooth, flat, and there's no ridges. So I'm just going to carefully like pretty much buff my nails with this bit here. And guys, you don't have to be a professional to use this. I would just put it on a slow speed and be very gentle, very careful with yourself. But yeah, I got this on Amazon. It was like really affordable. I think like $15 maybe. And I've had it for, God, I want to say almost 2 years now. It's been a long time and it works great. So I'm just going to file all of my nails. Now, if you don't have a drill bit, you can use this little piece of like styrofoam file. I don't know what it's called, but you can get it on Amazon. But it works just as well if you don't have that. Now, the press-on nails, they come with this sticky back kind of thing. I don't use those. I never use it. I don't trust it. I use this Kiss glue instead, which is so awesome. Like, I buy it in bulk. Nails also come with this little mini file too if you don't have a fingernail file at home. So what I do next is just try to find the nails that perfectly match my nails, because like you want to cover your nails from side to side. So like go through all the nail pieces. There's a lot in here, and find the ones that fit your nails. It's not that hard, believe me, guys. Like it's a quick process. But you want to find the one that's going to cover your nails up. I just measure out the first one for the first hand, and then underneath the nail on the top, you'll see a number for it. So I find the matching nail and then just put them out there. Anyways, what I'm doing now is just filing the inside of the nail where my nail is going to be at, because you want to get rid of that shiny plasticky bottom part, because if you don't get rid of that, if you don't buff that out, your nail's going to pop off. Like the glue won't stick as well. So I just file that off and wipe out the dust that comes with that. And then I'm going to push back my cuticles using this soft rubber cuticle pusher. I tried to get it on camera, but like apparently my hand was covering my other hand, so it wasn't in frame. So yeah. So next I'm going to take some nail polish remover and clean off my nails. So I use nail polish remover, and then I also afterwards will use alcohol. This like really just strips the nails of the oil, which not necessarily a good thing, but I'm not wearing my natural nails, so it doesn't matter. But I want to get all those oils out of my nails so that way they don't lift easily. So I use the nail polish remover first, and then go in with alcohol and clean my nail off with that. And I use that same cotton swab and clean out the nails, the artificial nails, because I want to make sure there's no dust in there or anything that's going to make it easy for my nails to pop off. This also helps with the glue sticking to the nail. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is take some of this nail glue. I'm going to put like a droplet on my finger and then use the nozzle to spread it out across my finger. And I'm going to do that same technique on the press-on nail. So I'm going to squeeze a droplet in there and then use the nozzle to spread it out. Be careful with doing this because sometimes without you even pressing it, the glue will come out and you'll have a whole lot of glue on your nail. You're going to see that when I do my ring finger. But yeah, after I do that, I press the nail onto my nail, starting from the bottom and slowly sliding it up to, how do I describe this? I press it on bottom first and then keep pressing through it so that it goes all the way to the top. I don't know how to describe it, but that's how I do it. And then I hold it in place until I feel like it's dry enough. So yeah, this is the second nail I'm going to show you. I do the same technique where I squeeze the droplet out and spread it out with the nozzle, but the nozzle kept putting glue on my nail even though I wasn't squeezing it anymore. So I had a little bit too much glue on this nail, which was fine. I was able to clean it up easily, but just be mindful of that when you are squeezing this glue out. And guys, you want to make sure you're putting this glue on your nail and also on the press-on nail. This is going to give you the maximum hold. If you just put it on one or the other, for some reason it doesn't hold as well. Like this is like a sandwich of glue that we're doing. But you can see on the sides there, the glue is starting to come out from underneath the nail because I have too much glue on this one. So I'm just going to clean that up once I get this nail to stick to my finger. So I'm just using that cotton swab that has the nail polish remover on there. So I'm going to do this technique on all my fingers, and you guys can just watch. Now that we're done getting our nails stuck on or pressed on, I'm going to go ahead and buff off the top shiny layer that's on our nails because like I want to be able to paint them with the nail polish. And if I keep that shiny layer on, the nail polish won't stick. It actually will start to peel within about a day or two. Just buff off that shiny layer that's on the nails. And then make sure after you get done buffing that layer off that you wipe off the dust from the shavings of the artificial nail. Because you don't want your nail polish to be like clunky. Not clumpy. What is it? Chunky? But yeah, I'm going into this hardest nails polish to paint my nails. You're going to paint the top of the nail and the bottom of the tail. I said the tail. You're going to paint the top of the nail and the bottom of the nail. I suck at voiceovers, you guys. You got to forgive me. But painting both sides, this creates like an extra layer of protection. Now, guys, I filmed this video like, I want to say a month ago. So I had a chance to wear this hardest nails and to test it versus the diamond nail polish I normally get, and the diamond nail polish definitely holds a lot better. So if you can find a diamond polish at your local Target, Walmart, CVS, wherever you go, get that one instead, for a better layer of protection. Ultimate one, polygel and the monomer, but unfortunately I'm just too scared to use that UV machine right now, so I gotta wait. Anyways, I'm going to do 2 layers of this hard as nails polish on the top and the bottom of my nail. Make sure you let the polish dry in between layers. Now guys, I will say this, the longer your press on nails, the more of a chance you're going to have of breaking them. So if you want to get a truly long lasting press on nail, you want to go shorter. But like these are like my birthday nails, so I wanted to go all out. But there's nothing wrong with having a long set. You can definitely do that. I would just be more careful. But the shorter they are, the longer they're going to last. I'll let that dry. And then once that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and pick on some cuticle oil because my hands have been through it. Now with this oil, I don't put a lot on like the nail bed. It's just mostly going on my cuticles because I don't want the oil to get underneath the nail because I just put these nails on and I don't want them popping off. But I do want to make sure my hands are moisturized because they just went through a battle. So I'm just going to massage the cuticle oil into my cuticles and onto like the tops of my fingers because my hands is dry, baby. Ever since COVID, I wash my hands like 1,000 times a day. I was already doing the most before COVID, but now it's like my hands stay dry and I keep lotion and they still stay dry. Anyways, this is the finished product. These nails were freaking fabulous. These were actually my birthday nails, you guys. Last month was my birthday, so these were my birthday nails, and they were so fantastic. I got so many compliments on them. In my opinion, you can't really tell they're press-on nails, but yeah. But these are from Shein. I will link them down below. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I love you guys, and I appreciate you for watching. Thank you. Oh, and one more thing. Manny wanted to say hi. Bye, guys. Mwah.